Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another unboxing slash review video on the Unboxing Beard channel. Today I will be reviewing my fleece. It's a Peter Storm fleece and it's from the shop called Blacks. At the moment it's still in the packaging, so let's go ahead and open this. You get a little postcard. There's a picture on here from the Peak District. Looks quite nice. And then the fleece comes in this plastic. Let's just open this up as well. Straight away on first impressions, this fleece looks very nice. It feels very smooth, and I have noticed that it is quite stiff compared to the one I had before, but that could be because the one I had before I've had over such a long time. I can't remember how that felt when I first had it. And the main reason why I bought this fleece is because of this zip pocket here. I really like these zip pockets because it's very convenient to just put your phone in there. Now, one thing I have noticed which I don't really like about this fleece is the logo. Now, it is a black logo on a black fleece, and if this fleece was a different color, the logo would stick out. But what I would probably suggest is, if it's a black fleece, and the logo to be a different color as well, so the logo sticks out. It is a nice looking logo. I mean, the font is really nice, and I like this little piece at the top, which is like a mountain. So the logo overall is nice, but there's no point having a nice logo if you can't see it. Now, another thing I really look at on clothing is the stitching. Now, even if the stitching is slightly out, it makes me think that the quality of this is not that very good. But when I look at this one here, I can see that the stitching is really on point. It's really good stitching, although if you look at the pockets, there's a piece of thread sticking out here, there's a piece of thread sticking out here as well. But they're just really little minor issues. And if you look on the side here, the stitching is very good. There's no parts which look like they're about to come apart. All over the fleece, it's all the same. So quality wise, it looks like it's a really good quality fleece, and the pockets are also a decent size as well. I just pull the pocket down and just put my hand in there. Yep, quite a decent size. You could easily fit in there your mobile phone, or you could fit in there your wallet, and that's really what you want it for. Now, another thing we need to really check on a fleece is how comfortable it is from inside. Now, before I look at the inside and check the quality, there's one thing I really noticed which I really like. This piece right here, on my old fleece, when I used to put the zip up, it used to sometimes catch me on my neck or catch me on my beard. Now this here will really protect me. It's not something which I looked at when I purchased the fleece, but it's definitely something which I would have wanted if I knew from before. Now this is a full zip fleece. It goes from the top all the way to the bottom. And if we just open it up, and look at that guys, you can tell just from the video how good quality this is and how warm it looks. And even if I put my hand on it, almost feels like sheep wool. And if you just zoom in into it and you can see this in more clarity, this is the fabric which is inside the whole of the fleece. This will definitely keep you warm in the winter, and I'm not too sure if you could wear this in the summer. And the reason why I say that is because the fleece that I had before this was like almost like an all year round fleece. I could wear that in the summer, I could wear that in the winter. This one looks a bit too warm to wear in the summer, but when time comes we'll be able to see if it can be worn in the summer. But for now, it's a winter fleece. I bought it for the winter and I will be using it in the winter. So there you have it guys, the Peter Storm fleece by the Black store. I popped into Meadowhall to see if I could find myself a fleece. I went into the Black store, I saw this fleece in there. That's how I know that the quality was going to be quite good before I even purchased it off Amazon. It was on sale there and it was for $37.50. I managed to pick this up from Amazon for 35 quid. So if you guys do want to buy a cheap fleece, 35 quid I would say is cheap for the fleece. The one I had before this was a £56 fleece. It was a Berg horse, and I had that for near enough 3 or 4 years. Hoping this one lasts me as long. The quality looks good and also it feels really nice as well. So £35 from Amazon guys. It was also Amazon choice. It was good rated, 4.5 stars out of 5, so you can't really go wrong. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.